This video shows you how to add a revision record to a full implant record for a patient that was implanted at your trust. So we'll search for the patient by clicking on the patient search. We're going to use the first name as our search parameter for this example. Once you've searched, you look at all the options and confirm which one corresponds to your patient and click on the edit button. And check that the information here corresponds to what the patient currently has. You click on the occupational status and you add an occupational status for the current visit. Once that's done, you click on save and the information will be saved for this particular record. You put in the right date that corresponds to the occupational status that you're entering. You can enter a previous date but not a future date. Click on save and you can see the two occupational statuses that the patient has. Click on next and that will take you to the procedures page. Because this was a patient from your trust, there's the previous procedure which is enabled, and you can click on that and it takes you into the record for that procedure. So check that the information, the diagnosis and all of that corresponds with what you have. You keep going, click on next and it takes you to the implant screen where you can see the full implant information that was done. You click on the plus sign to add additional information. You select revision from the drop down list and select whatever procedure type that corresponds to the revision that you're doing. Once you've done that, you select a reason for revision. If there isn't a reason that corresponds to the options that you're given, you click on 99 and it will get a text box which enables you add whatever the reason for revision is that is not available from the options. Once you've done that, you select the hospital and all the other mandatory and important fields. You complete those, and once that's done, you can click on either save or next. If you click on save, it saves the record, and if you click on next, it saves the record and goes to the next page, which is the devices page. You will then be able to add the devices that you've used for this revision. Click on the plus sign as usual to enable the fields, and then you can add in what devices you used for this revision. So once you've added the devices information, you click on save for each of the subsections to save the subsections, and then you continue. We're just going to add a lead manufacturer for the purposes of this example. So once that's done and you click on save, the information's there. You save the overall record and then you can go back to the implant details screen, which will show you that there is a full implant and a revision record associated with this patient. Once that's done, you can click on the dashboard. Your record has been saved and it's been created. Go back to the dashboard and that's it.